And without any problems, the deal closes in a plus. Hi, I'm Emily. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have an author's Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write to me in private messages. I want to join the VIP. See you! Watch this video till the end and I will tell you about my super useful trading guide, which you can get today absolutely for free. Friends, today I will show you another powerful strategy for binary options on Pocket Options, link in description. So let's start setting up. Set candles as chart type, time frame equals to 5 minutes. Trade expiration time equals to 5 minutes too. Open Indicators tab and add Parabolic SAR and MACD. There is no need to change any settings. So how do we find the entry point for this strategy? To find entry point up, we are waiting when the Parabolic SAR dot is under the candle and the MACD bar is higher than the zero line. To enter trade down, vice versa, the parabolic should be above the candle and the bar below the zero line. Friends, before moving on to the practical development of my new trading strategy, I promised to tell you about my author's trading guide. My guide is a collection of my rules for organizing money management, which will help you earn big money on trading without loss. And today you can get my guide for free. What you need to do, follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it and write to me in private messages, I want a guide. Do it right now and thank me later, and let's move on to practice. Parabolic SAR under the candle and MACD above the zero line. We enter trade up and wait 5 minutes. And without any problems, the deal closes in a plus. Dear friends, I will be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. Parabolic SAR points are above the chart. The lines have crossed. We enter a down trade and wait for the trade to close. And we have a definite plus. All conditions are met. I enter a short trade. And confidently take profit again. So friends, today I showed you a very fast and powerful strategy for trading on Pocket Options. Share with me your success. I'm always very happy with your profits. For today I have everything. Subscribe to my channel, put likes, write comments. See you in my next videos. Bye bye!